Hi guys, I'm Formal4 here for tutorial number 5 for covering if-then statements. Basically, what an if-then statement is basically whatever I check for. Let's say I'm doing logic here. Let's say if a rectangle has 4 sides, which is true, then I'm gonna have the program say something. Like let's say it has 4 sides. But if that's false, it'll say it has this many sides. That's a basic example of what an if-then statement is. I'm not going to do that example because we all know rectangles have 4 sides. So, file new project. Let's call this one if-then statements. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to create a button. And then we're going to make a checkbox. Now, the button is going to say, well, let's see, I never taught you how to do this. If you click your button, you'll have something down here called the properties window. On here, you can modify a lot of stuff about this button. The only thing we're worried about right now is modifying what this button says on its front. Where it says text, we're going to change it from button 1 to say check. Under checkbox, we can do the same thing. We can click it, go to the properties window, and change its text to, I'm just going to leave it blank because there's no need to have anything there. We're just going to have the checkbox. So, double click your button. Now, what we're going to do, make a little white space here, we're going to type in if, as we wait, if checkbox 1, that's our checkbox, dot checked equals true. Basically, if the checkbox is checked, then message box checked. Else, basically, if it is not checked, there we go. This right here is a basic if-then setup. What I'm checking for, I'm going to say it again for redundancy errors. If, dang it, if that is true, if the checkbox 1 is in fact checked, and you put, if I can find it, we're going to have it say this. If it's not checked, then say this. That's basically a breakdown of that. Okay, let's see. Is it checked? It is not checked. Now is it checked? It is in fact checked. There is your very, very basic if-then statements. This is Formal4, and give me your request so I know what to do.